Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Debopo Power Bank PD 20 watt SCP. Oh yeah, that's an awesome device because you can use the power of this power bank where you like. It is possible to use such a device in case of emergency. For example, if your smartphone does not have more power anymore, the Debopo power bank can handle this with 22.5 watt fast charging. It's an external mobile phone battery with 27,000 mAh and USB-C input and output with torch too, as you can see, for smartphones, tablets, and so many more. It's a professional and safe fast charging power bank. They use only the highest quality materials to produce this battery bank. Fireproof case, PCB motherboard, withstand safety protection designs, famous polymer safety cells of brand A+. After touch a double test CE certification, so we can use this with a good joy. The latest 22.5 watt fast charging technology is built in. SuperCharge Protocol, FastCharge Protocol, 22.5 watt PD3.0 QC4.0 plus. It can revolutionize our charging speed and charge our phone from 0 to 52% in just 25 minutes. And we can charge 3 devices at the same time with 1 USB-C port and 2 USB-A ports. Oh, that's cool. The Debopo power bank's USB-C port has both an input and an output function. It can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. Oh, that's cool. This battery pack is beautiful design and compact, easy to carry and easy to put in our pocket and our bag. It is the perfect companion for parties, dating, long distance traveling, business trips, and air travel too. The size is only 5.7 to 2.8 to 1.25 inches, and it only weighs 417 grams. The external mobile phone battery is equipped with 3 watt white laser with high brightness, 360 lumens, and a range of more than 100 meters. It can be easily applied with different scenes for camping and picnics, bike adventures, safety patrols, and travel at night. And it provides us with continuous 50 hours of lighting. That's awesome, really awesome. The product has automatic detection and identification function, which can automatically identify the cell phone device so as to power on the output device. If it cannot automatically identify it, then we have to turn it on. So for this, we push the switch button at the side. We have an LED display. Short press on the button once the display device power remaining when the power bank works. In the fast charging mode, whether an input or output, there is a lightning mark on the screen. You can see. To switch on the flashlight, we long press the button for approximately 3 or 4 seconds. The flashlights turn on, and perform this again, it will switches off. Easy peasy. The model is the P58DL. The battery type is a lithium-ion polymer cell. We have an input type C, 5 volt, 3 ampere, 9 volt, 2 ampere, or 12 volt, 1.5 ampere. You can see that's multi. Output, USB A1 and A2 slot, 5 volt, 3 ampere, 9 volt, 2 ampere, 12 volt, 1.5 ampere, 5 volt, 4.5 ampere. That means SCP 22.5 watt maximum. And the type C output is 5 volt, 3 ampere, 9 volt, 2.22 ampere, 12 volt, 1.66 ampere. That is power delivery 20 watt. The LED flashlight power comes with 3 watt and 360 lumen. The charging time is about 6 hours. We use PD 20 watt adapter for this, if it is possible. The working temperature is from 0 degrees Celsius up to 50. And the product size 146 to 73 to 31.5 millimeter. The product weight is around about 400 grams. So you can see it's lightweight and it is mobile. This is the awesome Debopo power bank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.